So the world's facing a number of really important challenges at the minute. Everything from climate change to global health to systemic inequality. Part of the things that are possibly driving solutions towards those things are the rapid increase of data and digital literacy.
Tackling all of these big challenges requires more data. And unfortunately, when we go looking for more data, that opens up a can of worms around ethical issues, privacy, security, making sure that we're treating this data properly so that we're not harming when we use it.
One of our goals is to assist that human in the loop by creating a semi-automated approach, a framework, if you like, for making some of those decisions.
So one of the first hurdles that the team actually had to encounter is it even possible for a framework like this to exist? There's legal aspects to it, there's ethical aspects to it, and so the team had to find a way to approach the problem to make some advances, right, to get some traction on the problem, and still acknowledge that there are these areas out there that could blossom into huge research programs on their own. We were very lucky in that the Alan Turing Institute had a pilot project scheme that allowed us to look at some of these less well-defined research problems in order to say, is there a problem here at all? It allowed us to create a common language. It allowed us to identify who would really gain the most impact from this. It would identify the project partners, right? So what types of companies, what types of data holders really do have this problem and would want to work on this type of research. So what we've done is we've examined how to use data provenance in order to support anonymization decision-making.
So we created a number of tools to try and help with this process. We've created some sort of coding methods and categorizations to look through some of the agreements in place when people are sharing their data. And if we can automate those through the use of natural language processing, or NLP, then we can sort of determine what data is being requested, how it's going to be processed, how it's going to be shared with third parties, and so on. So if we can use those automated tools to get a better picture of what data is being shared and with who, then hopefully that's something that can help people decide which bits of their data they need to anonymize.
So it's really exciting. This is the start of something. So we've laid the groundwork, and we're hoping that other researchers and industry will come in and use these building blocks that we've started to build to create towers and to create an infrastructure that allows these problems to be solved in a better way.